guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Vipashna, the Style Chic, and today, as you guys read by the title, that I'm gonna talk about the drugstore eyeshadow palettes and the brushes. So yes, it's a drugstore product video. So these products are super cheap. Everything is under 1000, not even 1000, everything is under 900 rupees. So yeah, I will gonna talk about the 4 eyeshadow palettes that I'm currently using, and I am really loving the pigmentation, the price, and everything about them. Now let's just get into the video and let's see what are they. Also, if you're just getting into the makeup and you want very affordable eyeshadow palettes, I guess you should continue watching this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and comment. Eyeshadow palette, I really love this one because it's very you can have a look at it. It's very mini and it's very handy if you are going out for shoots. I guess it has got all those colors. Let me show you which colors it have. I guess it has got all those colors which you require for the look, and you can just very easily take this with a brush. And I got this from Amazon at 360 rupees. It is by Wet n Wild and it's superly pigmented. I am in love with this palette. ये मेरा सबसे पहला palette था when I just started those eye looks. In the whole lockdown, in the whole quarantine that I did is I've scrolled the Instagram feed and I saw a lot of people doing such nice eye looks. Like eyeliners are also in trend. मैंने ये Amazon से purchase किया था at 360 and it was like on sale, I guess. So yeah, इसमें और भी colors available है, but I went with the Nude Awakening palette because I am not a person जो बहुत ज़्यादा pop colors या कुछ. Pop colors I usually wear for my Instagram only. If like I have to go out, I will definitely gonna wear these colors only. I am keeping the link in the description bar. Just go and check it out. I am in love with this one. Moving on to the next palette. इस palette के बारे में I will just say कि it's not a branded palette. जो भी branded है लेकिन it's not that high brands and all. So I was like I didn't had a colorful palette क्योंकि ये nude था, तो मैंने सोचा कि एक colorful palette भी मुझे लेना पड़ेगा. Background noise. Bought a colorful palette, and if you guys are just beginning with the makeup and the eyeshadow and all, you just want to give it a try, you're not so pro in it, so I guess you should go for this palette. This is the palette by Mars. I got this from Flipkart and this palette was of 300 only. इसमें total 36 colors hai, and but these colors are glittery and you can look how colorful is it. So these colors are glittery, and if you guys really want to try play with colors, then I guess this is the best palette for beginners. क्योंकि जब मैंने लिया था मैंने सोचा इतना cheap price पे it will not be pigmented, अच्छे से दिखेगा भी नहीं, तब भी I thought I should give it a try. ट्राई करने में क्या जा रहा है, 300 रुपये का ही है. मैंने ये सोच के उसको ले लिया, and when I applied it, it's super pigmented. I am in love with this palette क्योंकि मेरे पास इतने सारे कलर नहीं है. Like it has blue and yellow. अभी मैं हाई ब्रांड से नहीं गई क्योंकि मुझे इतना अच्छा आई शेडो करने नहीं आता, और इतना एक्सपेंसिव पैलेट लेने का फिर क्या फ़ायदा व्हेन यू डोंट नो हाउ टू डू द परफेक्ट आई लुक. So that's why I got this and I really loved it. I am keeping the link in the description. If you get this in stock, definitely go for it. because this is super affordable, super pigmented, and you don't get any brushes with any eyeshadow palette. Brush अलग से लेने पड़ेंगे. I will be coming to the brushes as well in the end of this video. Okay, so I just purchased 4 palettes and 2 दिखा चुकी हूँ. और जो 2, these 2 were the combo offers that I got on the Nykaa Splash sale. So I feel so lucky to buy them. They were of 900 rupees. अभी तक की सबसे ज़्यादा महंगा पैलेट यही है, बिकॉज मुझे जो चीज़ करने नहीं आती ना, मैं उसमें अगर मुझे सिर्फ उसे ट्राई देना है ना, तो आई ऑलवेज प्रेफर कि मैं सस्ते से सस्ता लूँ, जिससे आई डोंट रिग्रेट बाद में कि मैं इतने का कुछ और ले सकती थी. वाई डिड आई वेस्टेड इट ऑन अ पैलेट विच आई डोंट इवन नो हाउ टू डू आई मेकअप. तो मुझे अब मैं थोड़ा सीखने लगी हूँ. सो आई वेंट थोड़ा हाई अबाउट द रेट. सो या, तो 2 पैलेट्स कॉम्बो में थे. लेट मी शो यू दिस पैलेट के कलर्स. दिस इज़ बाय रेवोल्यूशन मेकअप एंड इट्स वेरी नाइस ब्रांड. ऑब्वियसली इसके पैलेट आई शेडो पिगमेंटेड ही होंगे, तभी आई बॉट दिस बिकॉज आई डिडंट वांटेड टू लूज दिस डील. सो यू कैन हैव अ लुक एट दिस कलर्स. दिस इज़ अगेन वेरी न्यूड आई शेडो. तो मुझे न्यूड ही पसंद है, सो आई वेंट. और कॉम्बो में भी इतना अच्छा था कि एक न्यूड के साथ एक पॉपिंग कलर वाला मिल रहा था. तो आई थॉट this is definitely my type, I should definitely go for this. So I just bought this, and this is in the shade of Hypnotic, and this nude one is called as Hypnotic. I really like it, and it's has the matte shades as well and some shimmery shades as well. और इसका glitter वाला is just wow guys. This is the next eyeshadow. This is also by the Revolution Makeup London. So I really love these colors. This is just wow. इसमें से मैंने अभी तक सिर्फ ये ग्लिटर वाला यूज़ किया है. मुझे ये वाला भी बहुत प्यारा लगा, and it has got the pink color, all the popping colors that I require. This is known as a red alert. So I really love this, and the pigmentation, the price, everything is just wow. तो अभी मैंने ये 4 आई शेडो पैलेट्स. Now coming off to the brushes. Okay, so these are the brushes. I need to do it like this. Okay, these are the brushes and they are by Miniso. I bought them on Amazon. मैंने इनकी रिव्यूज़ पढ़ी थी. People were saying कि इसके ब्रिसल्स बहुत ज़्यादा हार्ड हैं और इट डजेंट होल्ड्स द कलर, लेकिन ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. मेरे साथ तो नहीं हुआ. आई रियली लाइक दिस प्रोडक्ट. मैंने अभी तक एक ही ब्रश यूज़ किया इनका, ये वाला, जो मैंने साफ़ करके वापस से पैक कर दिया बिकॉज मुझे वीडियो फिल्म करनी थी. ओपन अप दिस. ओके, सो दिस इज़ जस्ट सो प्रिटी, एंड ऊपर से क्रिस्टल एंड पिंक. फाउंड दिस सुपर अफोर्डेबल. आई डोंट थिंक सो यू रिक्वायर एनी अदर ब्रश एक्सेप्ट दीज फॉर योर आई मेकअप, और इवन यू कैन डू योर आई लाइनर, आई ब्रोज, मतलब पूरा आईज वाला सेट इसके अंदर मिलता है. सो आई रियली लाइक इट. जस्ट स्पेंडिंग 300 एंड गेटिंग दिस ब्रश, these brush, and they are not bad. I will rate them 5 out of 5. Sorry, 10 out of 10. So yeah, I really like them. इतना ही था ड्रग स्टोर प्रोडक्ट्स के बारे में. तो if you guys still looking for these palettes, there is still a sale going on Myntra where you are getting them in a combo. So you can just check out the Myntra website, and I guess you guys like it. Stay tuned for my next video super soon. एक important बात भी करनी थी. You guys were saying कि I post videos बहुत ज़्यादा एकदम किसी भी दिन डाल देती हूँ, किसी भी टाइम पे. तो आई एम थिंकिंग, और मैं बहुत कम ही डालती हूँ क्योंकि यूट्यूब में टाइम लगता है. यू हैव टू film the video, then you have to edit the video, then uploading, post, it takes a lot of time and lot of efforts. But I really am so glad कि you have given me so much of love. That's why I'm just filming the video and continuing my YouTube channel, वरना मैं हर बार ऐसा करती हूँ, I start something and I stop in the middle of that. So the same thing I did with my Instagram page as well, and I'm feeling so glad that today I'm standing on 7,000 followers. Thank you for so much of love and support. And so I decided that I will be posting the video on every Monday, cause संडे छुट्टी होती है, मैं फिल्म करके पोस्ट कर दूंगी. ओके अभी छुट्टी का नहीं, लेकिन वी हैव ऑनलाइन क्लासेस टू अटेंड एंड अ लॉट ऑफ अदर वर्क टू डू. That's why now, from now onwards, I'm gonna post every video on Monday. If you guys like this video, if you did, then please give it a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe to my channel. Do check out my Instagram, follow me there if you like my Instagram page, if you like my channel. Thank you for love and support. I love you guys. Bye bye.